So today on the bench at the museum we're repairing some things. What we're repairing?
ZX Spectrum plus 2. 128K.
What are we doing right here?
Cleaning out the tape drive of another ZX Spectrum.
And what are we doing on this one?
Doing a composite mod, because it's only got RF at the moment.
The RF's there and it's already got it dangling out and it's going straight there.
To a new...
Yeah, so neither of these were working before and hopefully by the end of this you'll see at least one of them plugged in playing some things. Bit of a clean. Right, let's plug it in and see if it does anything. Video on this coming soon. And all of these things. Okay, let's give it a go.
Plugged in. You ready?
Yeah.
And
is it gonna
power on?
Woo!
Yes.
Yes, it works. Paperboy.